the bark of an oak tree. A lot of bark.
Yeah.
Our next segment here, we're gonna be taste testing. Got an organic from Nature's Place, the Mexican Casa.
Hold on, let me get it in the shot.
Get
Get the button. Get it in 4K. Make sure the people can read it. Mexican Casa. You see it.
Or if you want to say it in Spanish,
Casa Mexicana.
Casa.
What he say?
Yeah.
He said Casa Mexicana.
But yeah, we actually got this one at Food Line. It was on the way, right? Yeah.
We got it from Food Leon.
So
after you
feel good about your cup of coffee, as it is helping to make the world a better place. Nature's Place organic coffee comes from safer and more sustainable growing methods. That's right, and it's trade certified. For you and
fair
for
trade,
me,
y'all. Fair trade.
Community. Oh, he said make the world a better place. You know. My bad. Go ahead, get your pour on.
Oh,
they speak to you about some notes?
No, they ain't saying nothing about no notes, man.
there's no notes.
Ain't no notes in there, man. It's not listed. I guess we got to go ahead and list them ourselves.
It ain't saying.
A Jodeci cup of coffee?
Hey, depends on what kind of notes are hitting, man. Maybe the cup is.
Oh yeah.
Hey man.
As a man, you got to pour your own.
Really rich.
Oh, this is another one y'all need smell-o-vision on, man.
Ooh.
So this one smells more like a stereotypical coffee.
Yeah. Bean.
But this
Bean.
yeah.
Bean.
It's kind of planty.
But it's fair trade though.
Yeah. And I mean that in a good way. Fairly.
We ain't gonna clink it or nothing. You just gonna.
Nah, I didn't sit mine yet. I'm just been blowing it. You see the steam coming off?
You see the steam coming?
Yeah, I see the steam coming off. We could just.
They told me this is just a taste test. My lips is gonna be sitting over there on fire somewhere.
They got stuff in
Ah.
Blink it!
Blink it. I ain't burning my lip.
That's bold right there.
That is really bold.
That's
Now,
bold right
what a bag. Some dark.
Oh, it's super dark. It's
Dark.
It's Noob Sabat.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's dark. Man. That's
Smoke.
like the dark side of a tree.
It just tastes like the.
Like if I licked an oak tree.
You up here licking oak trees now?
I said like if I did.
I probably wouldn't have told nobody that I licked oak trees.
I didn't say.
I wouldn't have told nobody.
Who
that.
said that I licked oak trees? I said
all I heard was
if
licking an
I
oak
licked
trees.
An oak tree.
He like that. That bark. He like that bark.
The bark of an oak tree.
It
A
is
lot of bark.
Yeah.
It's got bark and bite. I will say that.
Aftertaste is like. The aftertaste is like grilled cranberries.
It does have a fruity note on the end.
It do have a fruity
Yeah,
note on
it
it.
finishes fruity.
Like if a cranberry came off the grill.
I don't know how that works, but I can see that.
The dog is slow.
Yeah, we got a sleep dog over there. Show him the dog. Show him the puppy
Sound like
real
he's-
quick.
Yeah.
Sound like he's
Yeah.
sawing a tree.
Yeah. Probably the tree that's in this cup. Look. Mexican Casa. It looks like you shot a 3-pointer on double dribble. and
listen.
So I'm gonna have to go ahead and give you a 4. Listen.
Yeah.
The notes are there. It's a very interesting coffee. But we're gonna have to say that the astronaut did not land on the moon on this one, okay? Instead, he destroyed the moon and all them rocks, all them space rocks and stuff landed in this cup. That's what I'm tasting right now. It's asteroid.
Oh,
Listen.
moonrock. Yeah.
Listen,
Asteroid juice.
Mexican Casa.
4.
You said a blend of Mexican coffees delivering a balanced and clean taste with a medium body. This more like full body, cause it's full of dirt.
Meteor body.
Meteor body. That makes more sense. Meteor body.
I can't even, it ain't even got no recip value.
No,
It ain't got no recip value. Your boy Mr. T. Thomas is gonna give it a 3.5.
take it back to the drawing book for me and Mr. T. Thomas. What you got, man?
I'm thinking, I'm trying to make this work in my mind. If this is like a late night diner situation, I'm just gonna drink this coffee and be like, all right, cool, yeah, it's coffee. But we're the squad, so I gotta be honest about this. Meteor body. Because I'm gonna say that this is also a 3. I'll just call it a 3. Not even 3.
Don't do it, man. Don't do it to yourself, man. Don't.
I'm still drinking it, but it's kind of, I think just because it's in my hand. I don't know what to do
with your hands, and I'm a suffer that fate with him. I don't want him to suffer this fate alone. But yeah, it tastes straight up like old school church parking lot in this. 3 with him and give it about a 3. There's no reset.
Good God.
Hey, did you give it a rating?
I said 3.
Oh, okay, you said 3.
Yeah.
You said 4, 3.5, and 2 3s.
He's sitting on about a 3.5.
Yeah, that's about a 3.5. That's not good. That's not good on the Coffee Squad meter. That. Oh, no.
We not just throwing out 7s through 10s. Just it's not always gonna be a slam dunk. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you're gonna get them bricks, and I'm gonna tell you, this tasted like a brick that came out of a haunted house. Anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and wrap up all the coffee tasting for today. I'm your boy B Meads. You can catch me on Twitter mainly, BMeads17.
Chef Rockport. You can catch me on Instagram as just Rockport, Facebook Sarclo Rockport.
Boy, Hidden Rocks. Catch me on Facebook as either Michael Meads or catch me on Twitter. You're on Twitter, search that Hidden Rocks 5.
Catch me on Twitter, Mr. T. Thomas, Instagram, Mr. T. Thomas, or Facebook, Ty Thomas.
And you can catch us all together on Twitter at The Coffee Squad with 3 E's. On Instagram, The Coffee Squad _
with 3 E's.
With 3 E's. YouTube, Coffee Squad with 3 E's. Make sure you get that 3rd E in there.
That 3rd E, man.
That's important. People be like, I can't find you. I searched you. I can't find you.
How many E's did you
And
do?
then I ask them the same question. How many E's did you put in there? And they be like, I did put 3 E's in there. Let me see your search history. It'd be 2 E's in there. Guilty.
Right.
How many E's did you put in search?
There you go.
And you'll find us, the one and only
Coffee Squad. We can't leave you without giving you the 1-arm salute.